My name's Andrew Kirkpatrick. I'm a welding fabricator and grinding polisher. A lot of my duties require building stuff from the ground up, and then after it's welded, I grind it up, clean it up, make it look pretty. I got started in this industry from family members. I grew up with hands-on people, really knit and grit, just get down to it. Grandfather, uncles were a big influence for me. My uncle Ron was the one who got me into welding. He was a welder in the Navy. He's the one that really inspired me. The history with my family wasn't so much important for me to follow their footsteps. It was just something about welding. When I was going to school, it was the science behind it is what really drew me. And then laying down the first bead was just, it's just awesome. And then being able to put that science and everything to what we're building here is just awesome. I didn't start off welding here. I started off as a helper. I was pushing a broom, washing tanks, doing, from the ground up. I didn't start as a welder. I was the part-time welder, but I didn't come in with a torch. When I was part-time still, day shift was working Saturdays, and I wasn't getting paid for it, but I would come in on Saturdays and just practice and show initiative that I wanted to learn. I struggled in school. I was in special ed from 2nd grade to the day I graduated high school. It took me 3 years to get a 2-year degree at OTC. And there's nothing wrong with that. I wear that with pride, I really do. I graduated OTC with a 4.0 and I got my associate's degree. And in elementary school, I had teachers telling me you weren't going to graduate high school. What puts Holloway above most of them is just the way they treat their people. I know Randy Caldwell by first name basis. That's the president. It's rare in big companies now. They just take really good care of you. It's not so much a business. It's really, like everybody says, it's like a family-owned business where everybody knows one another. And it's a nice, big old family.